guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe. So in today's video, my husband is going to be showing you how he made this very quick and easy, tasty and yummy delicious pasta. So let's take a look at the few ingredients we'll be using for this no, did I say pasta? It's actually spaghetti, not pasta. So these are all the ingredients we are going to be using. As you can see, they are not really much, so let's get cooking. All right, as usual, he's going to pour some boiled water into a pot and add some salt. You can add salt according to your taste, and then he's going to add some extra virgin olive oil, and then he's going to add the spaghetti. Now we are making 1.5 pack of the spaghetti. I showed you 2 packs earlier, but we are using 1.5. So he's going to cover it and let it boil for 5 minutes. Now while that is boiling, he's going to start shredding the roasted chicken. So he's basically taking off all the bones in the chicken and then shredding them into pieces. So here is the finished look. Now back to the pasta. It's about 5 minutes later and he's just tasting it now, and the pasta is done. So he's going to drain the water in the pasta. Now into that same pot, he's going to be adding some of the extra virgin olive oil, and then he's going to be adding some sliced onion, adding some salt as well, just a tiny bit of salt. Mix everything and then pour in the shredded roasted chicken. Now after frying or stirring the chicken for about 5 minutes, he's now going to be adding this ragu. This is a sauce for making spaghetti or pasta. So after adding the ragu, he's going to be adding this tomato as well. This tomato has some basil leaf in it, so it has a very nice basil aroma in it. After that, he's going to be adding about a teaspoon of that bottle ingredients or spice. Like guys, seriously, I don't know all these bottle ingredients like I said in the previous video, but you can snapshot them and write the names down. So he added a teaspoon of the 3 bottle ingredients. Now he's rinsing the tomato bottle. He rinsed it with a tiny bit of water, added some aromat as well, mix everything together, and he's going to cover the pot and let it cook for almost 10 minutes. It's not up to 10 minutes, but at least 10 minutes is okay. So he's now tasting it to make sure everything is okay, and now he's adding the spaghetti and he's going to mix everything together until the spaghetti is well mixed in the sauce. And thereafter he's going to be adding this vegetable as always. If you saw the previous pasta video, you will notice that he added this type of vegetable in it, so he always likes to add it. So he added all the whole pack of the vegetable. This is a vegetable salad, in case if you want to know. Yeah, so he's going to mix everything together and the pasta is done. Like seriously, can you see how easy that was? I want you guys to try this and let me know your opinion. Here am I tasting the pasta. I'm the one tasting it and it tasted really good. So this is the finished product. This is the finished result of the pasta, and I'm tasting it one more time for you. Look at how gorgeous it looks. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.
If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button. If you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my latest upload.